what I also find very inspirational is it's so funny being in Congo. Sometimes I can be very whiny of like, oh, I hate Congo. This is wrong with Congo. But to see other people love the African continent and just speak so highly of it, it just, I don't know. It makes me fall in love with my country all over again. So I'm happy. Today was a good day. Ren and Lisa, a bunch of cows, and we're gonna take pictures because this is so cool. No, it's in the back seat. Come on, cows, serve.
Oh, yes, yes, Noemi.
Morning. So, I didn't really sleep well, super jet lagged, but I don't know. I woke up this morning. I literally woke up, I think, at like 3 a.m. Like, I barely slept. But I was like, let me go to the gym, release some heat, have some alone time. I love my friends, but sometimes I just want to be alone. And then after that, work on some emails, get some breakfast, and then the pool opens up at 8 o'clock. So I'm happy. It's just foggy, greenery. It reminds me a lot of British Columbia, BC. So I'm happy to be here. Ooh, my skin looks good. Third day in New Zealand. We are in sulfur zone. It stinks here, but it makes sense. It's sulfur thermal stuff, which we're gonna check out soon. But anyways, we bumped into this cute little coffee area near our hotel. We're gonna check it out. That's my sister Kimia, looking hot as always. Yep, she's that hot in real life. Oh, this is super cute. It's giving like New Orleans colonial decor. We have arrived at the volcano park. Yeah, it's a volcano, right? It's a thermal water. I don't know what I am. But we're here, and then we're gonna go check it out, and then that's it. It is 5:30 in the morning. God. And so, what? No, he's getting out. He's just like reversing. Hold on, we're trying to see if a car is gonna. Oh, maybe. Wait. Trying to see if a car is gonna pull in or he's just getting out right away. And then we're heading out to the airport to go catch our flight to South Island, New Zealand. Yeah, he is. finally made it to Queenstown. Queenstown. Okay, can you just peep at the mountains in the back? I'm dying. It reminds me of Goma DRC if you ever get the chance to go. But I'm so excited to be here. When I travel, I don't Google things like ever, so I have no idea what to expect. But all I know is that the south of New Zealand is where. Sorry for the shaky hands. The south of New Zealand is where it's hot, it's popping, it's colorful, more lively. So super excited to be here for a couple of days, and then we head out to Sydney, Australia. But I'm so excited to be here. This is so cool. I already get good vibes. Oh, hello, doggy. We have arrived at our Airbnb. It is so beautiful, like waterfront view, like insanely beautiful. Oh, oh yes, yes, yes. Noemi approves. Very me. Oh my gosh, I can't.
I know, once you go on the balcony, can you hide?
Yes.
Leave the door open, please.
Oh. Oh my god. We are going horse bike riding today. Running late because we're supposed to meet at the pickup point. We don't know what the hell that is, but Queenstown is super cute, super cute. Mountainy. The downtown gives bougie vibes, but half of these runs I don't know what they are. So, anyways, excited. So, turns out the boat that I was looking at was our boat. The boat was supposed to take us to this town where we're gonna do horseback riding. But luckily, we get to go on Saturday, and you still have to repay. So they don't transfer a refund. So unfortunately, we had to pay again. But it is what it is. I think my friends are more bummed than I am. Whereas me, I'm like, it didn't work out. Let's walk around. We're by the water. Let's grab some wine, have some good food, and make the best out of it. So, anyways. Just finished some shopping. Again, shopping that I do not need. I bought this super cute set at the shop and some coffee beans, and now I'm ready for my besties. I need some khaki pants, so when I go to my farm in Congo, I have some pants that are appropriate for the setting. So ready for my besties to finish with the bathroom, and then we're gonna head. decided to stop in the middle of nowhere to take some pictures because we're that crazy. This is so beautiful. Morning. It is 5 a.m. here in Queenstown, New Zealand. I've been up since 3:30. I went to bed at 9:30, but yeah, I don't think I slept well at all. Ugh, I need some moisturizer. But anyways, it's early in the morning. We have to head out in an hour to these like waterfalls. My friends are still sleeping, but I wanted to wake up early, make myself a healthy breakfast. That's the thing when traveling, like I love eating out, but I'm trying to do my best to like occasionally trying to eat healthy when I can. So I went to the grocery store yesterday, bought some local stuff. This is the thing with New Zealand, they're very proud of like what they produce, and it's so cool. So I'm just gonna make Greek yogurt with banana and chia seed, and I'm gonna make an omelet and then just keep it easy. And I bought some local coffee beans. You know, your girl's trying to get off coffee, but she can't help herself. I'm excited. Have arrived. I don't know what this place is called, but it's a place with waterfalls, mountains. After a 4-hour drive, my bladder is dying. I need to go to the bathroom so bad, and it is freezing. I think I'm in Canada, but excited. It's mountain with waterfalls. Up at Milford Waterfalls, and now we made a pit stop for some gas and grab a quick snack, and look what we bumped into. A bunch of beautiful llamas. All right, home sweet home. Super quiet and chill. Polar opposite of Kinshasa. I've removed my makeup, fresh face. But anyways, a little review of Milford. Milford is the waterfall that we went to today. Here's the thing, it's like rated as like the top destination on TikTok. Honestly, I was so bored. I hated it. But honestly, it's up to you. Feel free to visit it when you're here. But it was just so boring. It was like 3 hours to get there from Queenstown, 3 hours back, and then the boat ride was an hour and a half. It was just dull. Like when you think of like at the falls, like I just expected it to be like fall after fall after fall. This was like one fall that was really epic, and then the other fall that were like skinny and tiny. It was just I did not enjoy it. I think it's great for old people. No offense to the geriatric team, but if you're older in age, 70 plus, I think it's perfect. But for me, I was just bored. I'm gonna be honest. Today, I wish I would have just went to like a coffee shop and just chill. But anyways, it's 6 o'clock. We got home. I'm just gonna rest a bit, cook some dumplings, and then just answer some emails and just call my family to check up on them. Pretty chill day and an epic view. Can't complain. Second last day in New Zealand. We wanted to explore some farms this morning because this country is full of hills and farms. So we're gonna check out this honey bee area and this farm, but there's barely any animals. I'm a bit confused. Let's check it out. Let me fix that. That looks a little weird, my braid. But anyways, we're supposed to go horseback riding today. Well, I am not. My friends are gonna go. I'm gonna go to a bee course. I'm so excited. So New Zealand is known for its manuka, and it turns out down the street, there's that bee coffee shop that I went to this morning, and they offer bee classes. So I'm so excited. But before that, we're gonna go eat some burgers at this famous place in Queenstown called Fridge Burger. So I'm happy. I'm bummed that I'm gonna miss the horses, but I'd rather do beekeeping. That way I can learn and get those best practices and implement it in Congo. So I'm excited. This is so big, we could have gotten one instead of three.
Hi, Jack. Do you want to order for us? What is up, Jack?
Just had Ferg burger. It was so amazing. I had a naked burger because I didn't want the bun because I was feeling full. But anyways, now I'm at the bee course in true Noemi fashion. I'm hella late, but let's go.
And they're just drinking nectar and gathering pollen and getting ready to evacuate before the house burns down.
Wow.
So they just, yeah, you're just mimicking a bushfire.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is so epic.
Okay, so now we'll just take a step away from that entrance, and so now see it's a completely different looking frame. Hit day 21, and she is being born in front of you. And bees don't like carbon dioxide, so you can always just blow and they'll run away from wherever you blow. And this is Kiwi Birdlife Park down here. That's a wasp. I'll just kill that. And yeah, Kiwi Park.
Yeah.
Sherwood. Actually, that's Sherwood. The 1 millimetre on the top. Okay. If I stop, what happens? Because the countries we export to say we will not accept your food product without an expiry. And our government says there's no expiry. And I say, well,
Okay, back from my honeybee farm, well, my beekeeping class, Lord, in New Zealand. Okay, I'm so happy I went. I know my BFFs right now, they're riding horses and they're having a time of their lives, which I'm a little jealous, but I'm so glad I went. It went super well. It was quick, which I'm glad because my ADHD cannot handle lengthy workshops, but it was really cool. Like, he just really made the class interactive, got into some beekeeping attire with the bees, literally touching the bees. It turns out bees don't really sting you. I thought they did, so I'm a bit confused how they didn't sting. But then, like, we literally extracted the honey, got a little bit of the history, and the owner of the place, such a cool guy. His family has been doing beekeeping for 100 years in New Zealand. He lived throughout the African continent, but came back to take over the family business. So, like, he was so cool. He gave me his contacts. He was like, shoot me an email. I'll give you a list of everything that you need to buy. And then what was even more sad is that he told me that for my honey farm in Congo, I just bought that huge machine, which I talked about before. Turns out what I paid for my machine is like way too expensive. Like, I paid 5 times higher than the actual cost. So I'm a little bummed, but he's so amazing. He said, I'll walk you through everything. And your girl had to splurge. I got to try different honey. First of all, this is the honey that I made. Yep, with my face on it. And then he makes this honey with chili. I'm definitely stealing this idea. Like, literally, hold on. Chili honey. I'm gonna try with Congolese chili, which we call piri piri. But this thing is incredible in taste. And then this one is manuka. Like, if you come to New Zealand, you gotta do manuka. Like, manuka is just known, it only grows in New Zealand. It's known for its antibacterial organs, like, it's just known for its probiotics. So I'm just really happy. I'm just happy that I went. It was so infomercial. And then I think what I also really want to start doing, because I travel so much, and while a lot of it is for fun, I want to mix it a little bit with business more. When I travel for fun in each country, try to meet with local businesses, pick their brains, so I can bring it to Congo. So I'm so happy. And the people that were there with me at the class, turns out some of them have lived in the African continent. I'm like, how are all these people, all white, I've lived in the African continent more than me? And what I also find very inspirational is, it's so funny being in Congo. Sometimes I can be very whiny of like, oh, I hate Congo. This is wrong with Congo. But to see other people love the African continent and just speak so highly of it, it just, I don't know. It makes me fall in love with my country all over again. So I'm happy. Today was a good day. To do labor. A rainbow. Oh my God.